Hey guys, so we just actually arrived here in a house in Sao Mateus. Last couple of days we've been doing just stuff around here that needed to be done. You know, lots of weeds we needed to get rid of. So we're doing that. Laura and I has also been doing the new no-dig bed. And just taking care of our other bed, which has the huge zucchinis growing. It's like giants, you know, pretty incredible. And the corn, the zucchini, what else is growing there? Squash. I mean, everything's blooming here. The fig trees, everything. So this is the grapes around us. Our neighbors have amazing grapes that are really gonna yield a good harvest. And as you can see, today is a gorgeous day. The last couple of days have been a bit more windy. Today's calm, a little bit of a breeze. And if you can see behind me there, the ocean is nice and calm compared to yesterday. It was pretty rough the day before. We still went swimming. Water is about 21, lovely. And yeah, so we've been putting some compost on the bed. This we can grow the rest of our vegetables that we have. So there's Laura. So you can see the bed is looking good here. We just finished putting all this new compost here. What are you up to? It's coming along.
As you can see, guys, I'm sitting in a pile of
shit.
Compost.
Horse and sheep.
Horse and sheep. So right now we are just getting the clumps out and evening out the raised beds so we can put our plants in. I think our cabbage and our squash and peppers, and they're kind of anxious to get into the ground. But we also have our compost bin. It's getting there.
Yeah, and look at the compost. Yeah, we've been adding to it. It's coming along.
I wonder if we'll get some free grapes from our neighbors.
Sure we
or
will.
Free wine.
Yeah.
Actually, I prefer the free wine.
Grapes and wine.
Beautiful day.
It
I
is.
think we're going to have some lunch soon.
You know, as soon as we get overheated, guess what we do?
Jump in the ocean.
Jump in the ocean. And speaking of the ocean, it's that Azorean blue. So let's take a look at, see these tomatoes here? They're wild tomatoes, they just grow here. There's a couple, they're coming in nice and strong here. And there's also this sunflower that is taking off a bit. The ones in Lige are really blowing up, so, and let's take a look at, I always, every 3 or 4 days to kind of see how the vine's doing. Just an experience. We're going to plant more vines next year, but it's, there you go. Lots of leaves coming in. Very nice. They'll probably give us grapes next year. This is eating grapes. And this is the passion fruit. We have about 6 of these. 3 of them are like growing like about this size. The others are a bit smaller. And let's see the fig tree. Let's take a close look. My uncle pruned it. If you guys saw it, we had some videos that mentioned that. But look at it. Look at this. From about a month ago, it's already, you can see that. You can even see the branches. Incredible. Incredible. The figs that are going to come out of here. Let's see if we can do a close-up of a couple of these beautiful. I can see birds already salivating at the potential of these coming over here. Here's the nice figs. If anyone of you love figs, let us know. Or what's your favorite food here from Pico? Or from anywhere. My mom's favorite is figs. So that's for you, Mom. Figos, the figueira. Oh my God, so many of them. Oh, that's amazing. There's our chestnut, also full of leaves. Hopefully they'll give us some nice chestnuts this year. We put them in, I remember doing an earlier video, just branches showing, now just completely full. And while we're up here, let's take a look at actually one of the, it's giving, this year we're gonna get 1 pineapple from this. It's coming along. Gorgeous. Come on, pineapple. So we purchased this house here in the village of Sao Mateus. We're fixing it up and rent it out as a vacation rental. Our base is in the other village, Lages, which is where we have a family home. My mom and my uncle own the house. Very historic village of Lages. So it's the best of both worlds. Lages, Sao Mateus, and Canada and Portugal. It doesn't really, for us, it doesn't get better than that. We are so blessed to belong to both these countries. And hopefully you'll stay with us and watch more of our videos. Obviously the followers that we have already seen this, but for you guys, for the first time, hopefully you'll subscribe and like the channel. If you like simple life, the simple island life, and we share our experiences here, and we're actually in tourism as well. And it will take you around. We have about 50 videos, shows you a bit of the island. We'll show you more of the island in the future. With COVID, we were kind of restricted from the beginning, but we feel free here, and we're actually due to go back to Canada July 29th. They've actually canceled our flight 3 times before, so that's why we've been here for a year. But hopefully you'll stick around our channel, and there's a lot more to share in tourism, real estate, business opportunities, just the regular life here on this beautiful island of Pico. So here's today's lunch. Nice tuna sandwich, an apple. I'm gonna have a nice beer, and Laura's got some water, and we got this front row table here. And this is the best thing about this property, is the views that we get from every window, every door, every nook of this house. Enjoy.
Alright guys, it's hot. We did some weeding. Now we really need to go swimming. So we're heading down to one of our favorite swimming holes in Sao Mateus. And I think it's going to be great jumping in that water.
We did a good work today, so we deserve a break. It's not going to be McDonald's. It's going to be the ocean here, the Atlantic Ocean. And the lava swimming area here in Sao Mateus. And we're just heading down through the village. And you'll be able to see just basically on the way down, if you haven't seen the drive down.
We're just driving down.
This is all part of Sao Mateus, just different areas of the village, and there's a lot of adegas here where we're heading to, but it's by the port as well, and it's a really nice area to hang out for a bit.
We're coming up to, this is the dragon tree, one of the oldest trees. It's a great spot down here. As Carlos said, lots of little adegas. Actually, a lot of people come here from Oakville.
Yeah, there's
a lot of Oakvillians around here.
Yeah, big population of immigrants from Oakville. And just getting all this work. Approaching the swimming hole here in Sao Mateus. Doesn't look like there's a lot of people here today.
here we are, guys, at the swimming hole. This is it's a really nice day to go swimming.
Hey guys.
Hi, guys.
Hopefully you're enjoying this really nice swim with us here. It's an amazing spot here in Sao Mateus at the pool. There's a little bit of noise in the background. They're actually just fixing up the pier, the dock. But outside of that, it's just so nice, eh?
Yeah, the water was really nice. I was actually the brave one. I jumped in first.
Oh, you always do that. That's right.
Yeah, I'm not afraid.
Yeah. But it was nice, soothing,
Yeah.
just perfect.
And then Carlos jumped in.
Yeah, and we did some cool jumps there.
Yeah. We did it in slow motion.
Yeah, we're testing out the slow-mo. On mine, I'm actually trying to give you guys thumbs up to like. If you to smash a like button if you enjoy the video. That was what I was trying to do. I almost fell in actually
Yeah.
by accident.
He's a good swimmer. We're gonna head up to back up to the house now,
Yeah.
and we'll see you guys up there.
Yeah, maybe we'll catch a sunset. So
Yeah, see
we're
ya.
back at the house. We had a nice swim.
Yes, it was very refreshing.
Yeah, we came back, we had some refreshments, and we thought, you know what, let's do a little bit of vlogging here. I know we always show you the ocean, and sometimes you can't show you Pico because it's covered and so forth. But look at it behind us. There's the house.
Yeah, Pico
And
is
it's
completely cleared.
Yeah, so it's not all about the ocean, even though it's half about the ocean and half about Pico. And yeah, it's like a little bit of country, a little bit of rock and roll. Yeah, so anyways, but yeah, sometimes we're here. Like today we went swimming, and this was the first time we came back here, and we had our wet towels, and I thought, well, let's just put them out here, and we put them, actually, you probably see it behind us, we put it on the balcony.
It looks like a beach house.
And we had to change, so I said, you know what, this feels like we're living here. This is the first time it felt like we're actually staying at the house, living at the house, and it's a great feeling, right? So, because otherwise we, as you know, we stay in Lush, and it's great to have access and be connected to both of these amazing villages. Just like other people on the island are connected to so many other great villages. And they all have their own uniqueness, and
Yeah, every time we come here more and more, it starts to feel like our house.
yeah, I
right?
mean, well, obviously with renovations and all that, we're hanging out here pretty much the whole day. We hope to get to sunrise and
You mean the sunset?
I mean the sunset. Yeah.
The sunset.
Well, sunrise. Yeah. Speaking about that, I told her I wouldn't mind just sleeping here somehow, even if it's on the floor.
Yeah, I said, go ahead. Have a nice time.
Maybe next time. Yeah, next time. But yeah, we might be here. I think we'll be here for the sunset, and we're actually meeting with our architect. We just have regarding the renovations. We have a bit of progress, and we're meeting with him. So we're hanging out the whole day, and you guys are with us, hanging out as well. And hopefully you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we'll see you later on.
All right. times in other videos. We're just showing to you because we do quick updates just to see. And every time I look at this, there's the corn. And now I've noticed from 2 days ago, there's two now. There's a smaller one, and then you have a giant one again there. That's going to be picked today. But the rest is coming along beautifully. No dig. When the roots get into our Pico soil, it's like an explosion of growth.
You're gonna cut the flower. There. You just lost the zucchini.
Oh, Carlos. So what the?
Wow.
Look at that.
The giant zucchini. Another one. Whoa.
Look at that. That's crazy. All right, guys. The sun's setting. I don't know if you can see it there in the background.
Us, yes. But what time is it right now here? 8:30?
No, it's not. Is it 8:30?
It's about 8:30.
Okay, so it's 8:30, and it's 9 actually
9
because
o'clock
the bells
That's
ring.
right. You didn't hear the bell tolls. Every time we get on a vlog, the church goes off.
Yeah. So we are going to sign off because we said we're going to sign off when the sun is setting.
So we
and
hope
the sun sets very quickly
quicker.
here.
It will be quick. I'll have to actually talk quicker than usual.
Yes.
But hopefully you guys enjoyed being with us today. Obviously, we hanged out around the house. Very simple Pico Island life.
Yes.
And we went swimming. We had the ark to come over. Looks like there's some progress. We'll fill you in another video. And we're just having a few beers here with Joe. And let's show Joe here. Joe.
Salute.
He
Salute,
helps us a
Joe.
lot. So we're going to do a barbecue before we go to Canada. And Joe will be the main guy in it. Anyway, so I know a lot of you guys have actually mentioned Joe. And yeah, he's here. He's always here. Sometimes we see
He's
him.
always here. He's not always
He
here.
lives here. He lives here, actually. Thank God he's like our security here at the house.
We love seeing Joe.
Yeah. So we're going to go fishing. Actually, we're going to probably do a vlog that Joe and I will go fishing here in Sao Mateus, and we're looking forward to that. I don't want to go back to Canada without doing that fishing. I have a new rod. I want to test it out, make sure I can catch some nice fish here.
So we really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And we already said thumbs up for the like. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Adeus, até logo, boa noite.
That's a song, I think. Okay.
Is it? Ciao, guys.
All right. That is a song.